Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Singh and today I will share the process that how we can set the environment variable on window based operating system machine. So in the last videos I have shared that what is a Java and the features of Java and the history of Java and how we can install the Java. So after installation of the Java in the window machine, it is required to set the environment variable on the window, and we will check that why we will see that why it is necessary and how we can set the environment variable in the window machine. We will see all in the detail. So if you are new to this video, first check that how you can install the Java on your window machine. After that, come to this video and see that how you can set the variable environment variable in the on the window machine. So first point is why it is necessary. Why is it necessary to set the environment variable on window after installing the Java programming language? So the question is why is it necessary to set the environment variable in the machine? So it is necessary because it allow the user or allow CMD command uh, prompt or other tool by which we try to compile our Java code to invoke the directory in which Java is installed, so that compile process can be easily done or we can run our Java code easily. So it is necessary uh, because we can uh, system can check the path where Java is installed and can compile and run the Java code easily. So to set the environment variable, we can press the window button of our keyboard here, and here I will write environment variable. So here option are coming already. And after this, we will click on the environment variable button. And here you can see that here already variable and value is already set. That's why showing here. So I will delete it first, and then after that I will set. So first time it will not show here. So you can start by doing this, like clicking the new button, and you can type here at Java home, all in the caps, and set here, enter here the directory in which Java is installed. So how can we get that? So to get that, we can go in the C program file, and here in the Java folder click, and here as we have in the last video we have seen that we have installed the JDK 17. That's why JDK 17 folder is showing. We will click again on this and we will uh, copy this path. Come here and then type here as a variable value and click on the OK button. Once you click on the OK, the Java home variable and value will be set. And what is the useful use or necessity of this? We have already discussed. And after that, we have to set this path also, the system variable path also. So we can just click on the edit button, and here it is already set. Let me delete it first, and after that I will add here the same path what I have add in the on the last screen, and click on the OK button. And in the last, I will click on the OK, and then we'll click on this OK button. And if you want to check that it is done or not, we can like access again the same pay option, and here we will click on the environment variable option, and you can see here that java dash home and the variable value is already set here, as we have already set in the set. And here we can see the path to. So if we click on this edit button, or we can click double click on this link will be visible here, variable will be show here. We can click ok and ok and ok. So this is the process by which we can set the path environment variable in the window machine. So we have seen that why it is necessary and how we can set the environment variable in the window system, operating system. And what was the process? We have set the java home variable and their values, and then path of the system variable. I will enter the java installation videos link in the description. You can see there, and you can install the java in your window machine, and after that you can set the environment variable. If any question you have related to the process what we have discussed in this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.